elements of the NX. So I select a sketch as usual. Select, for example, this plane, then press OK. So we can start with these two circles with a diameter 45 and 30. So rapid dimension. This one is smaller one, 30 millimeter, and the big one is the 45. So I would like to firstly draw this rectangle. So with the 15 and 120 millimeters. So rectangle. Let's select the rectangle by center. From this center, you see, dash line represents the center. So dimensions is here 15, and length 120. So let's make it symmetric around the y-axis. So symmetric. This one is the symmetric around this axis. So let's define now in the distance here. Distance between this one is the center of the circle is here the 65. So I located it, and I can draw for example, this arc is the 25. There are the tangent. Select the arc here. Select this line and this line. So let's check the tangency. Is the constraint. This one and this one tangent. Here already tangent, and this one is the 25. So now draw this inclined line. Distance here is 8.3. So there is the tangent, so it is okay. We can use the offset in order to obtain this line, since the distance is the 14. So using the offset function which we learned today here, offset, you see, select this line. So it is the too big. Okay, it is the 14. So it is the symmetric now, but we have to deactivate here the symmetric, so only in one direction. Press OK. Sorry, it was activated. Convert to the reference offset. This line here, the deactivate here. Okay. So now using the quick trim, I will delete unnecessary parts. Sorry. Okay. So quick trim. Okay, I delete this one, and this one. So last one more step to make here fillets with the radius of the 10 millimeters. So I will select the fillet function and select this line. So type the 10. So next is this one and this one, 10 millimeter. Here it is the removed, so because of the trim, This line also we have to extend it. So extend. Now it's correct. And the sketch is the fully constrained here. It is the goal. We will see the constrained system type of the constrained system tomorrow. So finish the sketch. So this is the sketch. This one, first one.